Want your favorite music to start with just one tap? Let's try the music playlist routine in Samsung Discover section. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover, scroll down the screen. Under Get the Best Media Experience, choose Music Playlist. You will now see the routine setting. In the If section, it's set to start manually. That means you will start this routine by tapping the Start button or using a widget. In the Then section, you will see Spotify playlist. Tap it. Choose your favorite playlist. Then tap Done. In the When Routine End section, it also set to Spotify playlist, and by default, it returns your music status back to before the routine run. At the bottom of the screen, you will see some options. Edit to add, remove, or adjust the if, then, and when routine end setting. Share to send this routine to someone else, and save to save it to your routine list so you can use it anytime. And that's it. Now when you go to your routine list, you can start your playlist instantly by single tapping the routine. If needed, you can add a widget on your home screen to this routine for faster access. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.